Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is episode 6 of season 2. We are doing this amazing design in episode 6, and at the end of the video I introduce episode 7, so make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode, which is episode 7. And if you've not subscribed, please do so that I don't miss any of the videos coming up. We have nice designs coming your way. So other materials used are on the table, but I'll list them in the description box so you can check them out after the video. I've threaded my needle. My thread is single, and I'm going to pick 10 seed beads. I'm using deep blue and sea blue or light blue seed bead. So I went ahead to pick 10 of the seed bead. That's 10, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, that's 10. Then I'm going to pull it all the way to the end of the thread and tie a couple of knots and get rid of the excess thread, which is the shorter thread. So realize the thread is single and I'm just tying a couple of knots. So I went ahead to get rid of the excess thread, and this what I have, this tiny circle. I'm just going to pick 7 of the white pearls real quick. So that was 7. So after picking the 7 white pearls, I went ahead to pick 1 wine. Is this 7? Yeah, it's 7. Alright, so I went ahead to pick 1 wine pearl, and 1 gold pearl. So this is what I have. I have 9 beads in total. So this is what you should have at this point. Now I'm going to pick the first two, the 2 pearls, and I'm going to pick I think 12. Yeah, 12 seed beads. So that's my 12 seed bead. Now I'm going through the red pearl and the gold pearl, but I'm starting from the bottom, so from the red towards upward, so from the red to the gold pearl. And this is what you should have. I'm going to repeat the same process again. So I'm picking 12 seed beads again, and I'm going through the red and the gold, just like so, just like I pointed. And you have this little nice amazing design here. Yeah, so to continue, I'm just going to pick one white pearl. Then I went ahead to pick 12 blue seed beads. So 12 of the sea blue seed beads, or the turquoise blue seed beads. And I'm going through the gold and the white. At each point in time, you pass your needle through 2 of the pearls, the first 2 pearls, but you start from the one at the bottom. So I'm going through the gold, then the white, just like so. Now I went ahead to pick the second set, so 12 again. Then the same bead I went through earlier. So I'm going through the white and the gold bar, starting from the gold to the white. And this is what you should have at this moment. So guys, this is exactly what we'll be doing till we get the length we want. Just watch closely. It's very, very easy, and I'll come in when I have to explain something. And if you've not subscribed, guys, this season 3, we've already dealt with season 1 and season 2. We are on season 3 now, and we have interesting, amazing designs coming your way. And once again, at the end of the video this time around, I did introduce the next episode, which is episode 7. So make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode, which is episode 7. And enjoy the video. Now to finish it up, I went ahead to pick this pearls, and I also went ahead to pick 10 of the seed bead, just like we did earlier. So I'm just going to pass it back through all the 10. I'm passing my needle back through all the 10 seed bead. Then I'll tie a couple of knots and get rid of the excess thread. So this is the set I'll be using to finish it up. This is my jump ring and a clasp ring. So I'm just going to attach one of the jump ring to one end of the necklace. I'm just attaching it to the seed bead we picked earlier, the circle seed bead we picked earlier, and I'm attaching the other jump ring to the clasp ring. Then I'll go ahead and attach it to the other end of the necklace, just like so. Then it's easy to close, so you can just close it with your hand, or if you have a round mat, then you can use that to close. And guys, I present to you episode 6. So it was easy, right? It's very easy and very simple. Yeah, so go ahead and try it, and I'll leave my WhatsApp and my other social media handles in the description box, so you can test me if you come if you try it and you want to share with me. Yeah, so basically that's nothing new. Don't forget to subscribe, and guys, thank you so much for the comment. It really helped with my video, so please help me welcome episode 7. You guys, so this will in episode 7. Thank you once again for stopping by my channel. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe so what am I saying, so that you know what we'll be doing, how we'll be doing, because now you know how we'll be doing this gorgeous design here. And I'll see you in episode 7. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you. Bye.